What you doing, silly?
I'm rolling around. Give me a knock-knock joke.
You give me one.
Knock-knock.
Who is there?
Cargo.
Cargo who?
Cargo, beep, beep, rum, rum.
Ah ha ha! You know any others?
Yeah.
Like what?
I found it myself.
What? Who's this video for?
For me.
What? It's for who?
It's for me.
This video?
Yeah.
Who else?
It's Katie.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Who else?
Go.
Who?
Go.
You being shy?
Go.
Excuse me. I don't like to talk to behinds. Excuse me, can you move that behind? Can I see that face? I don't want to see no behind. Excuse you. Excuse you. What you doing, foe? Give me that. Oh, me. I was like, you okay, Mia? You being silly? Where'd she go? Mia. Mia. I think I see her head. Ah, there she is. I'm going to turn it off, Mia.
No.
Not yet?
No. What?
You going to do a dance? Let's do a dance. Do you want to put on music? What? What do you call that? What is that exactly? Excuse you. Do you want to show me your art gallery? I'm looking. All I see is your behind. All I see is that behind. All I see is this behind. All right, Mia, say bye-bye.
Bye.
That's it.